Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft Publisher application course. In today's video we will start a new topic called creating and working with a publication. In previous videos we've looked at the Microsoft Publisher environment and what Publisher is. So in this particular video we will be looking at two topics, which is how you can create new or blank publication and also creating publication using existing templates. So let's pull up one of our publication, or maybe instead of doing that, one way you can create a blank publication is when you start the publisher environment. We already talked about a number of ways to start your publisher environment, but we will use one of them to show you how you can still create a blank or new publication. So the two ways you can start a publisher environment or window or application is by using the start button or the window icon here, or you can use the search box here. So let's use the start or window icon here. So you click on start and you look for publisher in the list of application. You scroll down with your mouse, and when you get to P publisher, and you can click the publisher icon. This will display this window, and what you can do is go to new, because you're looking for a new publication, and then you can choose the blank one. So either you can choose a straight document or publication, or you can choose a blank wide publication. Let's go for this one, and if you click on it, it will display the new one, and it will call it publication 3 because we already opened in previous videos to new publication. But basically this is how you can start with a blank new publication. The other way is when you have the publisher open, what you can do is go to file. So I want to open another new blank publication, and I expect that it will name it publication 4. So I go to file, I go to new, there's new, and again I can pick this one, and I don't see anything popping up. That's really strange. I expected to see another one. So let's see, file, new, and so for some reason it doesn't work like what you have in Microsoft Word and the rest. So in that sense it will not create a fourth one. But let's do something. Let's go to publication 1, okay, and let's click file, new, and let's click this, and this time it worked. Okay, so what we've just seen here is I'm going to try to open another new one, but what I notice is if you're in the most recent opened new publication, you cannot open a new publication from there to give you another one, except you go to a different or the previous open one. So if I stay in 4, which is the most recent, my expectation is that I will not be able to open a publication 5 as a new one unless I save this publication 4 with a name, which I'm not doing now, or I can go to publication 3 of 1 or 2, which are before 4, and I can use that to create publication 5. So let's do that. So let's see, file, new, and this time it worked. That's strange. So good that you can see this on the video. So it means that you can always create your new publication from whichever one that is open. So that is using file menu. Another way is by using Control N. So I will minimize this ones. So this is my publication 1. So it means I can use Control plus N. So which means I will press the Control button on my keyboard and I will press the letter N together. So first my Control key, I'm pressing it, and I will press N, and it brings out this window again. I will go for new, and I will click this, and I expect publication 6. Okay, so let's minimize this one. So that's how you can create a blank new publication. Now, if you want to create or use an existing kind of pre-made publication that is already designed, pre-designed, you can do it from a template. To do that, you go to File, and you go to New, and instead of clicking the blank ones, you can go down. So I see a number of pre-designed publication, but I can go down. You can see a whole group. So what type of publication do you want? Do you want a design set, or a label, or event, or something? Then just choose what you like. So if I want, let's say, an event, and I can say what kind of event do I want. You can say happy birthday mom. You can click that one, and I can say create, and it will create another publication. This time it named it 8. Not sure why, because we went from 6 to 8. That's strange. But anyway, so here you get a pre-designed publication, in this sense, a birthday card, okay, or for an event. So that's why we said Publisher can be used for many purposes. So for your birthday, for events, for businesses, for any kind of things you want, and you can simply use the template, and remodel it to what you want. So this basically brings us to the end of this video, and in the next video we will continue with the other topics. Thank you very much.